Hello everyone! In this video, we will walk you through the steps to add money to your Venmo account quickly and effortlessly. Before getting started, it's essential to ensure that your Venmo account is linked to either a debit card or a bank account. This connection is required to transfer funds successfully. If you haven't already added one, the first step involves linking a debit card or bank account to your Venmo account. Let's dive into the process step by step. Begin by logging into your Venmo account. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the main screen of the app. To proceed, locate and tap the button in the upper right corner of the screen, which opens a menu of options. From this menu, select Settings or Configuration to access the app's Settings section. Once in the Settings area, find and tap on the option labeled Payment Methods, which is typically one of the top items in the list. Within the Payment Methods section, you'll notice a blue link titled Add Bank or Card. Click on this link to proceed. Here, you'll have the option to add a bank account, debit card, or credit card. For this demonstration, we will focus on adding a debit card. Keep in mind that using a debit card for payments does not incur any additional fees, whereas adding a credit card comes with a 3% fee for sending money. To add a debit card, select the card option and carefully input the required details, including the card number, expiration date, security code found on the back of the card, and your zip code. Double-check the information for accuracy, then tap Add to complete the process. Your debit card is now successfully linked to your Venmo account. If you have already linked a bank account or a debit card, you can now choose which method to use for adding money to your Venmo balance. Next, let's explore the process of adding funds to your account. Return to the main screen of the Venmo app and tap the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select the option titled Manage Balances, which will be highlighted in blue. This action will open a new screen where you'll see two options: Transfer to Bank and Add Money. To proceed, click on Add Money. You'll then see a window where you can enter the amount you want to add to your Venmo account. For this guide, let's assume you want to add $25. Input the desired amount into the designated field. Additionally, the app will display your current Venmo balance, making it easier to decide how much to transfer. After entering the amount, tap Done, and then click on the blue button labeled Next. You'll be taken to a transaction summary screen that shows the amount being transferred, the source of the funds, such as your linked bank account, and the expected arrival date. For example, bank account transfers typically take 3-5 business days, so your funds might arrive by a specified date. If you use a debit card, however, the transfer is usually completed in just a few minutes. Carefully review the transaction details to ensure everything is accurate. Once you've confirmed the information, tap the green button to finalize the transfer. Venmo will send you an email confirmation of the transaction. Remember that bank transfers may take a few business days, while debit card transfers are processed almost instantly. And there you have it. You've successfully added money to your Venmo account. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide has been helpful.